Hi, my name's Dr. Emily Happy Miller. I'm an infectious disease doctor at Columbia University, New York Presbyterian Hospital. And I was a recipient of the COVID-19 seed funding money from the Encephalitis Society. With this support, I've been working on a project with colleagues in infectious diseases, neuropathology, neuroradiology, and neurology here at Columbia, where we've been looking at the pathological changes in the brains of patients who died from COVID-19. We recently published in the journal Brain a series of 41 of the first brain autopsy patients back in the spring of 2020 when the COVID pandemic hit New York City. And in this study, we found that these brains of these patients are not normal. There were a lot of changes and damage done. My work in this project specifically focused on trying to find evidence of viral infection in the brains of these patients using a variety of techniques. And what we found was that while we find a lot of virus in the nasal passages of these patients, there is some signs of virus in the brain, but at very, very low levels. And the places where we found evidence of virus did not always correlate with where we found evidence of pathology and damage in the brains, indicating that the changes that we're seeing are likely not due to direct viral infection of the brain and probably due to something else, potentially inflammation and inflammatory changes. And there's work ongoing to try to understand this more. But we hope that this study will be important for patients who are survivors of COVID-19 because what we're seeing in patients who died from the infection could also indicate that there are changes going on in patients who are survivors, especially patients who present with neurological symptoms like encephalitis, and then chronic, more long-term symptoms that we're seeing like headaches and brain fog and chronic fatigue. So we're really grateful to the Encephalitis Society for helping to support this work, and we hope that this is laying a foundation for being able to better understand these neurological problems and findings that we're seeing in COVID-19 patients all over the world. Thank you.